Hello students, in this video we will look to construct the final type of triangle, which is a right angle triangle whose base is given as 3 centimeters and sum of the hypotenuse and the other side is given as 4.5 centimeters. In the previous video some of the sides of a triangle were given. Here we are given that it is a right angle triangle and we are given that the hypotenuse and another side form a total of 4.5 centimeter length. So let's begin with the construction of the base. The base is given to us as 3 centimeters. So let us draw the base. So we'll draw a line first. Here you go. Now we'll use the compass in order to cut the length 3 centimeters. Yeah. So from here I will cut 3 centimeters. This is our base and I'll mark this point over here. Let's give this some letters B, let this be C and let this be X over here. So we'll have a triangle ABC. So from B we'll construct 90 degrees because it is a right angle triangle. So for that we'll draw an arc. The usual we construct 90 degrees this way. And using this as the center, once again we cut more arcs. Use this point to cut this arc and draw another arc, and now use this point to construct another arc this way so that it cuts this arc. And now where the two arcs intersect, we'll mark that point and we'll join that to B this way, and we'll name this as Y. Now we are given that the sum of the hypotenuse and the other side is 4.5 centimeters. So on YB we will cut 4.5 centimeters from B. So I've taken the length 4.5 centimeters on the scale here. Now from B I will cut an arc that will be 4.5 centimeters here, and I will mark that point, and let's name that point as D, and from D we'll join D to this way. Our next step is to construct a perpendicular bisector to CD. So let's do that. So take a measurement that is more than half of the length, drawing a length this way, and from C I will cut another arc here and here. Now where the two arcs intersect each other up and down, we'll mark the point over here, and I will connect the two dots over here to draw the perpendicular bisector this way. So the point where this bisector intersects BY, we'll mark this as our A, and we'll join A to C this way. That completes our triangle. I will measure how much is the AB to verify the length. AB is 1.3 and AC is 3.2. This is 3.2 centimeters, and this is 1.3 centimeters. So we are told that the hypotenuse and another side should be equal to 4.5 centimeters, which we have got over here, and our base was told to be 3 centimeters. So we've got our hypotenuse. In this case it is AC, which is equal to 3 centimeters. The base, which was given, base is BC, equal to 3 centimeters, and the other side AB is equal to 1.3 centimeter. This two total comes to 4.5 centimeters. So here are the steps of the construction. So once again we'll go through what we have done. First we drew a ray BX. From BX we cut off BC, which was equal to 3 centimeters. Next we drew a right angle from B. So we got YBX equal to 90 degrees over here. So we mark this as 90 degrees. Once we got that, from YB or BY we cut off 4.5 centimeters. So over here we cut off 4.5 centimeters. Once we cut off 4.5 centimeters, we marked that point as D where it was cut off. We joined D to C, and we drew a perpendicular bisector to CD to get this. Where this perpendicular bisector cut or met BY, we mark that point as A, and we joined A to C. That is how we got our required triangle. Okay. So with this we complete our chapter on construction. I hope you all have found the videos interesting and helpful. Thank you for watching.